Nicole and I'm back from Nicole's Nook, and today I wanted to do a video reviewing my school bags. So for school, I use my Longchamp Les Pliage Large in black, so I'm going to just show you that. This bag is probably one that you've seen before. It's actually a little scrunched up right now, but this is the bag. It's in black, and it's just the large tote. And then it has the little snap on the bottom, the snap on top that you can close it. It also has the zipper where it zips up. And then it has the little Longchamp logo on a gold zipper. And then on the inside, it's just black. There's no pockets except for this little open pocket on the side. But there's no zip, and it's kind of high up, so I really don't put anything in there. The good thing about this bag is that if you put a lot of stuff in it, it stays structured. This is it even without stuff in it. It's pretty structured. And if you're traveling, you can actually, that's why there's the little clasp on the bottom. You can fold it up to about a square about this big. That's actually how they send it to you, in a little square like that. So this can definitely be pretty compact. But you can also put a lot in here. I fit a 15-inch laptop in a case in here. I fit books. Sometimes even if it won't zip, I'll just, hold it like this and it'll be open a little, but I'll carry that. Some people carry this, I know, as a purse. For me, it's just a little big for a purse, but, I definitely really do like it. I use this every day for school. I'm in college, so I have a lot of books. I carry my laptop, so it's definitely very helpful. Even if you're in high school or something else, this is a great thing to put, a lot of different things in it. You can fit a lunch bag in it, and it's just really sturdy. That's a great part about it. It's about $150, so it is an investment piece, but I've had this for almost 3 years, and it definitely is wearing very well. The only thing is it has a couple little frayed pieces on the side, but it's really holding up very well. I know a teacher that I had in high school said she had it throughout her whole college years and her grad school. So she had it for over 6 years, and she, it worked really well for her. I know this is really also good for, not only for school stuff, but it's really good for traveling. You can take different little bags and put them within the big bag. That way you're a little bit more organized, so you don't have things floating around and flying all over the bottom of the bag. This is also great for professional things. I plan on going to law school after I'm done with my undergrad, so this is going to be great to carry around with me with all my books and stuff like that. This is also great for student teaching. I have a friend who I know bought one for that because, you have to run around. This is definitely good if you're a teacher as well. Any type of professional. It's a very nice, sleek bag, and it definitely holds a lot. Like I said, there's not compartments. There's that one little thing on the side, but it really is a great bag. I know you're thinking, wait a minute, this is like vinyl, well, not vinyl, like a nylon type bag with some leather handles. Why are you spending $150? But I do have to say, for a nylon bag, it literally is perfectly structured. It definitely holds up to their name, and you can find it online if you just search it, either through them or they have them, I believe, at Nordstrom's, Bloomingdale's, different department stores like that. So, I mean, yes, it is an investment. It's $150 around that ballpark, but it definitely is a great piece to have in your collection, either as a purse, like I said. They have a smaller one if you want to carry it as a purse, because it does go with everything. If you get, a black color or navy, or if you just, get a red one, maybe as a statement piece, they're definitely good to just throw everything in and you're set. So I definitely think this could be used as a briefcase. It could be used as a school bag. It could be used as a purse, a diaper bag. It's really a very functional item that you can have for a really long time and definitely get a lot of use out of it. So I wouldn't expect it to be some type of product that you're just going to buy, invest a lot of money in, and then throw it in your closet. Like, I definitely think this is something that you will use, you will grab for, and you're definitely going to want to use because it's so useful and functional. It can hold so much stuff. Sometimes it holds so much stuff that I say to myself, is this gonna rip? But I know that, it's definitely a sturdy bag. So like I said, this is the Longchamp Les Pliage Large Tote, and this is in the color black. I did want to get it in the navy and the bilberry. It's like a purple color. I might invest in those at some point just because this is just so cute and I really love it. The only thing about the black is it pretty much goes with everything, so that's kind of why. I have stuck with that. But I can definitely say from my personal experience, I've had it, like I said, for almost 3 years, and it is still standing up and it's really hardy. So, you know, it's definitely a good structured bag for the $150 so dollars. It's definitely a great investment, and I would definitely buy another one in a heartbeat. So if you're, like I said, in the market for a professional, you know, tote bag or a purse, maybe a school bag or a diaper bag, I would definitely recommend the Longchamp. This is the large size. They also have a medium, they have a small, and they have some like backpack styles, but I would definitely say go out and get this because it is 100% a great find. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.